I just had my best month of trading in such a long time. And I'm really happy with myself, actually, because I had a really rough month last month. I blew multiple accounts and I just got into a really, really bad rut. I've been trading for a really long time now, and I've gone through a couple of phases like that, but this one was really bad because I was just, I felt like for the first time, I was so close to being a profitable trader, like finally being a profitable trader. And then I got tilted one night, blew it all, and just questioned everything. I was questioning whether I could even trade. Was trading even going to be worth it? And I'm not here showing you that I made thousands of dollars. In fact, I actually still haven't made money. But this month, I followed my plan and I followed my rules for the whole month. And that's what I said I was going to do at the start of the month. I said, this month, I'm going to stick to the plan. I'm going to follow my rules. I'm going to de-risk. And like the reason it took me all this whole month to even get to this point was because I decided to go low on the risk. And I know what you're thinking. You're probably looking at today and going, well, he just full ported the account. Yes, I did. Because I thought to myself, what I'm going to do this month is I'm going to get this account. I'm going to trade it with low size, risk 250 per trade, shoot for high win rate, low risk to reward, and just prove to myself for a whole month that I can do this shit. Just to get my confidence back. Just like, you know what I mean? Like, I just needed that confidence boost. I needed to just prove it to myself without having to worry about, am I about to pass the account? Am I about to blow the account? The end date of when I want to have that account passed, that just wasn't in my mind. I just wasn't worrying about how long it's going to take. And so I'm getting rebuild over the weekend or on Monday or tomorrow. And what that means is I'm just going to have to pay the fee for the account either way. So regardless of whether I full ported the account or if I just got rebuild, I would have been back at the start anyway if I lost. So I full ported my account and, it was good. I got up and it worked. So I'm lucky with that. But, and I don't deserve that to full port and be right. But at the same time, it's kind of like, well, these prop firms, they have to be played. You have to exploit them. And I've spent a lot of time over my trading journey, and I don't regret it. I do not regret it. Taking evaluations really slow. And I always have seen it as a way of learning with a little bit of money on the table. So, I could have traded paper this whole time and been better off. I actually would have lost less money. But prop firms are kind of just like, you just kind of have to give them a fucking crack at some point. And that's what I really wanted to do at the start of the month, but I was just tilted and I couldn't think straight. So I thought, I'm just going to give myself 1 month to just prove to myself that I can follow the rules and follow the plan. And got to the end of the month and I thought, well, I did it. But here's what I did well, is I didn't just randomly full port my account. I actually still waited for the exact setup that I want to see. And it was actually a really good trade. Like, regardless of how much money I put risk on this trade, I would have taken it any of the times anyway. So I don't think that I really broke my rules, and I think that the way that I've actually been going about this account has been really good. So basically the reason I took this trade was because we got this 1 minute inversion here. We came out of this 4-hour imbalance below, which we also swept London lows. If I go to the 4-hour time frame, this is how I framed the trade. I thought, we are bullish. Like, just look at this. There's not been a single point where taking shorts has been a good idea all week. So I just came into today like, I'm bullish. We're running to these highs. Look, this this high, this high, this high, all super, super like wiki highs. That's what I like to see. That's what I was talking about in my A plus setup. We had data highs as well. So if I go back down, we had data highs here as well. And I just let the trade run a little bit further so I could get that 1,400 onto the account. I haven't actually passed the account yet because I still, like, you can't make more than 50% of your total profit in one day. That's just another stupid prop firm trading rule, but, doesn't matter. So, coming into the rest of this account, I'll probably, I got to really think about what my plan's going to be from here because I'm going to get rebuild anyway. And I also did pass an Apex account, like, about a week ago that I mentioned. They were 80% off, so I just grabbed one for like $30, full ported it, and passed the challenge. So I will have a funded account. So if I just pay that activation fee, I could just use the Apex account, and then I don't even have to pay for this one. But now it's like, well, I'm already kind of like a lot in profit, so I may as well just get rebuild one more time. I don't know, man. I got to think about it. But yeah, like, I honestly am so proud of myself because this month was literally just the biggest test of my life. Like, I know that sounds kind of corny, but if you go back and you watch all of my other videos from this month and from the end of last month, you will see that I've gotten better at trading. You will see that I have become more positive. I've been grinding, trying to work out 5 days a week, and I've been getting about 4 to 5 every week for the month. I just feel like I'm just doing things the way that I should be doing them, and I'm procrastinating less, and I feel happier because I'm not letting trading consume me as much. And I just feel like I'm at a good spot with my trading. So hopefully next month is good as well. Hopefully I can keep it up. Hopefully you guys had a good month as well. Please let me know in the comments how you did. I love talking to all of you guys about your journeys. I know a lot of you guys are unprofitable, or you're trying to become profitable, or maybe you've been profitable for a while. It doesn't matter, bro. Just let me know how your month went. You can also talk to me in the Discord about it. Also, I have a code for Alpha Futures. You'll get 10% off if you want to get any prop firm accounts. Obviously, you don't have to buy any accounts if you don't want to, but if you feel like getting an account, or if you were going to get an account anyway, feel free to use my code. I'd really appreciate it. And yeah, man, that's it. GG for the month. I'm fucking happy with it. I think that this is something to really be proud of. Like, genuinely. I know I ended on a full port, but like, I followed my rules all month, dude. I didn't really make a single video or a trade recap of me making a huge, dumb, stupid, idiot mistake, you know? And for that, I'm happy. So I hope all of you guys are in a good place as well, and you're doing well with your psychology and just sticking to your plan, because that's all we got to do at the end of the day. That makes it stress-free. It makes everything easier on you, and I've proven that to myself this month. So thank you guys all for following along as well, and yeah, appreciate you boys. Catch ya.